VPN Router Setup. Hi, it's Dave from VPN Router, and today we're going to be looking at VPN Router Setup. Now, it's very important when you're thinking about which VPN router you're going to buy and how you're going to do your VPN router setup, is that you really need to be thinking about how many devices you're going to be having connected to the internet on your VPN router, and how many are going to be streaming content at the same time. So if you're going to be having a lot of data streaming, if you're just using one device that's going to be streaming, we recommend our budget option here. The VPN Router Linksys Tomato router will do a great job for you. If you're going to be streaming on more than one device, then we recommend the VPN Router Netgear R7000 Tomato router, which will do a great job if you're streaming on multiple devices. Now, so let's have a look at our VPN router setup. We're going to click on the picture of the Linksys router, which shows you the options for the router. And the first part of the VPN router setup is to think about which VPN service you're going to be using. And you can see there are a whole number of VPN providers that are compatible for use with our VPN routers, and you could choose IPVanish, Buffered VPN, CyberGhost or ExpressVPN. These are all good choices of VPN providers to use on the router, as is HiveMyAss, iVPN, MyExpat Network, MyPrivate and NordVPN. You could also use Overplay, Private Internet Access, PureVPN or Safer VPN. As you can see, we've got a long list. Smart DNS Proxy, Strong VPN, Uno Tele, VPN Unlimited and Viper VPN. And not forgetting as well, also Windscribe and AirVPN. If you can't see your VPN listed, you can simply type it into the box and then we will be able to do the rest of the setup for you. Now, the next important choice is, how would you like us to set up your new VPN router? Now, the choices that you have if you're going for a VPN router are to select I like it easy, add my VPN details to router for me. Now, if you select this option, we will do all of the setup for you, and you simply supply us with the username and password that were given to you by your VPN provider when you signed up. And you simply type your username into the box and also type your password into the box. Alternatively, you can email them to us at a later date. If you're not quite ready or haven't signed up with them yet, you can then email to us and then we can complete your order for you. When you've done that, you just click add to cart. So that's one setup option, the I like it easy option. The other option is I will follow the instructions and add my VPN details myself. Now, this is a good option if you don't want to supply us with your username or password. You don't have to. If you're selecting that option, all you need to do is just confirm the name of your VPN provider. We like it if you can also type it in a box as well. You don't have to if you're feeling lazy, but it just helps us to know that if you've got it twice, we know it's definitely set up for the right provider. Confirm you want to use a UK server, and then you don't need to put anything in these two boxes. Click the add to cart button, and what will happen is that when you receive your VPN router, you will simply set up your VPN router by connecting it from its internet cable and run that internet cable into the back of your internet service provider router. Now, if you come up to our menu, you'll see that there's a menu item that says Learn More. Hover over Learn More and then come down to How to Connect a VPN Router, and this will take you to the page that will give you the information that you need. Now, you can see that you can set up your VPN router to work with any of these internet service providers, including BT, PlusNet, Sky and Virgin Media. So coming back to the setup for the VPN router, it's very simple. Here we're having a look at a picture of the back of the ASUS AC51U. Simply connect it from its black internet port into an Ethernet port on the back of your internet service provider router. The VPN router setup for the ASUS RT-AC68U is simply again a case of using the supplied Ethernet cable to connect it from its blue internet port into an Ethernet port on the back of your internet service provider router, and again for the Linksys router, connect it from its internet port into an Ethernet port on the back of your internet service provider router. Now that really shows you just how simple it is to set up your VPN router. I hope that helps you. Again, I'm Dave from VPN Router. If you're looking for VPN Router UK, then this is really a good place for you to come buy a VPN router in the UK, and I hope our setup video has been useful for you. Thank you.